Is it hard to play the ukulele? In this video, I'm going to give you 5 reasons why the ukulele is the easiest instrument in the world to learn how to play. I'm Terry Carter. Welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm going to answer the question that you want to know, which is the ukulele hard to play? I'm not only going to show you that it's not, and if you have a ukulele, I'm going to get you going right now in this video, but I'm also going to give you 5 reasons why the ukulele is the easiest instrument in the world to start playing. Anyway, thanks for being here. If you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe, turn on that bell notification. That way you never miss a single lesson that we post right here on my channel. All right, so this is going to be a fun video. And maybe we're trying to convince you to start playing ukulele, or you just got your ukulele, or you just want to come and enjoy and have a good time like we do with all our videos here at ukelikethepros. All right, shall we start off? Reason number 1. The ukulele comes in all kinds of different sizes, a size for everyone, from the soprano ukulele to the little bit bigger concert ukulele, and to yet the bigger again, the tenor ukulele. Now, it doesn't matter if you say ukulele or ukulele, whatever, they both work. Ukulele is a proper term, but ukulele works just fine. So anyway, the smaller the size, the soprano, as you can see, very small, easy to hold, a little bit of a shorter neck, versus the bigger tenor, which has the bigger body and the longer neck. Literally, anybody can play this. Matter of fact, my kids, 4-year-old twins, they have these. They have the little soprano ukuleles, and they can play at 4 years old. So if they can play, you can play as well. Now, there's going to be a slight difference in each one. Let me just play a little bit of each one. But if you want to learn more, we do have other videos about all the different sizes and stuff. I just want to give you a basic idea right here. All right, as you can see, the soprano is small. It's easy to hold. It's got the short neck. And it's really easy to strum the chord. I'm going to get to that later. And that is one of the 5 things, is the chords. But anyway, this is the smallest of all of them, the soprano. Then, as you can see, we move up a little bit here on the concert ukulele, just a little bit of a bigger body and a little bit of a longer neck. Let's see how it sounds. As you can see, the concert is a little bit of a bigger body, but still not that bad. Middle of the road, so it's not too small, it's not too big. Just has a little bit of a bigger, warmer sound due to the little bit of the bigger body. And by the way, this is the tenor side, bigger body, longer scale length. And you can see by the sound, a much bigger, louder sound. Now, this one has a low G on it. I'm going to talk a little bit about that here in just a second. But anyway, this is the tenor. The number 2 reason why the ukulele is the easiest instrument in the world. By the way, what did you think of number 1? What do you have, soprano, concert, or tenor? Or maybe you're looking to get one. Leave that comment below. All right, number 2 is we only have 4 strings. All right, 4 strings. So it's not a guitar with a 6 string. It's not the bass with the real thick strings. All right, it's just 4 simple strings. Now, the tuning for all these instruments here is G. That's the one closest to your face. C, E, and A. My dog has fleas. Anyway, so this one is what we call a high G. Just listen to the sound. Just has a little bit of a thinner string on the 4th string, which makes it what we call a high G. Now, I grabbed my tenor here because the tenor has a low G here. That means this 4th string here, the one closest to your face, is a little bit thicker, giving you a deeper sound. The other benefit of the 4 strings, and by the way, I went back and grabbed my concert. And by the way, if you're looking for a ukulele, a soprano, a concert, a tenor, even baritones, which we're not going to talk about, check out my store. Number 1 store online, store.ukelikethepros.com. We got stuff for beginners. We got stuff for pros. We got it all over there. All right, the other thing with the 4 strings is it gives you a nice small neck. So notice the neck here is not very wide. It's also very thin here. Very easy for all sorts of hands. Like I said, my little 4-year-olds can play their soprano. Matter of fact, they grab this one, the concert, and sometimes my tenor, and they can even play as well. So even the tenor side doesn't have a big neck. But those 4 strings make it easier to play. Don't forget, low G, high G. Most ukuleles, especially beginner ones, come high G. And then also that nice, thin, easy to play neck. All right, the third reason. By the way, thanks for being here and smashing that like button. All right, the third reason here is chords. Man, if you've ever played guitar, that is one of the biggest challenges in the world. Matter of fact, if you have an ukulele, grab it right now if it's not already in your hands. I'm going to teach you a few things right now. All right, if you try playing guitar, the guitar is big neck, a lot of strings, hard to play, hard to press down. The chords are the hardest thing I've taught so many beginners guitar. I used to be a guitar teacher. I actually still am, but used to do more guitar before ukelikethepros. But so hard. Now, on the ukulele, man, this is so easy right here. Matter of fact, this right here, that's so simple right there. This is what we call the C chord. Just put your third finger right here on the first string, third fret, and then strum. Just grab your thumb there. It's fine. And then just hit that. That's the C chord. All right? That's the C chord. Now, you ready? I'm going to show you something else here. Show you two more real simple chords. Grab this right here. This is what we call the F chord. Put your second finger on the fourth string, second fret. Leave that third string open. Put the first finger on the second string, first fret, and leave that first string open. And now you have your F chord. Don't worry, if you're struggling with it, check out ukelikethepros.com. I got beginner courses, I got intermediate courses, blues, I got everything you need to know. I have a bunch of free stuff as well and a fantastic premium membership. So check it out, ukelikethepros.com. Come be part of the Ukulele Pros Nation. I'm going to teach you how to play this great instrument. All right, so what was that? That was the F chord. Now check this out. If you got the F chord, leave your first finger here and just move this finger down the string to the third string, second fret. Add your third finger to the first string, second fret, and you have your G7 chord. Now, even if you just got a ukulele, like you literally don't know what I'm doing, I might be going a hair fast, but trust me, if you just practice these three chords, you have it. You have so much material at your hands. Matter of fact, everything I've been playing so far, for the most part, has just been basically those three chords. So the C chord, the F, and the G7. Now you can play something really cool like this. Check that out, and you're already a ukulele player. All right, I've gone back to my tenor for number 4. You remember the first 3 reasons? You remember? All right, but this is number 4, which is now strumming. So we're going to take that chord we learned. Just grab the C chord. And the great thing about the ukulele, it's so easy to strum. Like I said, my 4-year-olds can strum, and they're actually playing when they were 3, so you could do it as well. The easiest way to strum is just grabbing your thumb here and just literally hitting all 4 of the strings and just right towards the ground. This is called the downstroke. And you go to the F chord, and the G7 chord, and the C chord. That's it. And so many people, even the pros, even the great pros, can just use their thumb right there. Now, if you want to spice it up a little bit, grab your first finger, your index finger, just keep it real nice and loose. Just strum with these downstrokes right now. F, G7, and C. Once you get that down, then it becomes a lot easier to add stuff like the island strum, which is a real big one here in the ukulele world. And you're off and running on strumming the ukulele. All right, and number 5 reason, by the way, I've been playing all my Koalohas. These are all made in Hawaii, koa wood. Thank you, Koaloha, for all the support you've given me here. But anyway, these are a little bit more higher end stuff, but I mean, you'll have these for the rest of your life. Again, stored at ukelikethepros.com. All right, number 5, the community. Ukulele has a fantastic community. I've never seen a community as amazing as the ukulele community. Whether you're here on YouTube or Instagram or Facebook, it's absolutely fantastic. And all the online resources like my ukelikethepros.com. I mean, we have, like I said, we have free stuff, we have courses, we have memberships, we have songs, we have everything you need to become a great player. We have a forum, we have a member-only forum for all our premium members. We do giveaways, we do challenges, all kinds of stuff to get you engaged here. Even right here on my YouTube channel, we do tons of videos, and we post a video like every single day. So anyway, I've never seen it like this. The ukulele community is so fantastic. They're welcoming, they're warming, they're encouraging, plus all the resources out there. It makes it one of the easiest instruments in the world to play. All right, what do you think so far? We're going to recap the top 5. If you dig this video, some ways you can help support me besides what I mentioned is check out our Patreon page, patreon.com/ukelikethepros. That's a great way to get involved with the Ukelikethepros Nation. All right, what were those top 5? Number 1, sizes for every single player: soprano, concert, and the tenor. Number 2, remember, 4 strings, easy to play, easy to hold, nice thin neck. G, C, E, A, my dog has fleas. Number 3, the chords are super easy to play. Number 4, strumming is super easy whether you're using your thumb or your index finger. And number 5, the ukulele community is the best in the world. Come on, check us out. Come be part of the ukulele and the Ukelikethepros Nation. All right, that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for being here. What do you think? Leave some comments below. Is the ukulele the easiest instrument in the world? I hope you think so after this video, but I hope that you also prove that the ukulele, is it hard to play? Absolutely not. Anybody can do it. You can do it. Come be a part of it. We can't wait to see you in Ukelikethepros, the store, Patreon page, our blog, whatever. Just come be a part of the fantastic, fantastic community that we have.